welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful style. I have actually worn this style one other time and it is absolutely beautiful. This is a favorite style of mine. I haven't had her for a while. She is actually probably my first Raquel Welch wig, and it was in Deepest Ruby, I believe, quite a few years ago, and I loved this style ever since. I haven't tried this color before either, so today I am talking about Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch in the beautiful shade Shaded Wheat. This is a review for Mimo Wigs, and you guys can get a discount over there at Mimo Wigs using the code Amber's Amigos, so just FYI. I'll have that code and all of her links down below for your reference, but let's move on and talk about Shaded Wheat and this beautiful Editor's Pick. Now this color is divine. Like I mentioned, I have not tried this color until now, and I think it might be a favorite. I do love the root. It looks incredible. I think it blends with my bio hair that I shimmy out along the sides, and it's just overall a very, very pretty shade. And I can see now why I have heard a lot of people talk about Shaded Wheat through the years, because it is a very beautiful blonde color. You have this dark blonde that's evenly blended with platinum blonde and dark roots. So dark blonde and platinum blonde evenly blended with that beautiful dark smudge type root. It definitely looks like a color that you would go and get done in a high-end salon, and yet you don't even have to deal with that. You plop on your wig and you go. You have this fresh, gorgeous blonde color. This is a lovely above the shoulder wavy bob. Editor's Pick is so incredible. The waves are amazing. The style, the length. If you are a short bob wig wearer and you want to add some wavy curls to your wig closet, this might be one that you want to try out. It does have some volume, but you can tame it down just how you style it. I mean, look at that. Just kind of pulling it down with my fingers immediately removes some of that bulk. But then if you do like that really thick, full head of hair, just fluff it with your fingers and voila, you have a full voluminous head of curly waves. It has this cute side swept bang, but you can wear it off the face because it has that lovely invisible, just sheer front lace hairline. I do like that they use that platinum blonde right at the front of the hairline. It just makes those knots even more invisible, and it doesn't look like a wig at all. This wig also features a monofilament top, so you can part it every which way. As you can see, you just wear this hair as if it's your own, pull it away from the face, part it all over the place, middle, side, left, right, twist it back, braid it back, whatever you want to do to create, creative styling and just make it feel like it's your hair. This is their true to life heat friendly synthetic fibers. So this can be smooth, it can be straightened, it can be recurled. Really, you can just style this hair any way you'd like at a low setting using your heat tools. Editor's Pick is average in size and it fits me really well. I wear true average in the majority of wig brands, and this fits me really well all the way around. Now let's do a full turnaround so you can see Editor's Pick from all angles. What do you guys think so far? I'm in love with this. I've been in love with it for years, so that's no news to me. I knew I would like it the second I decided to try it out in this blonde shade, but I am impressed with Shaded Wheat, and I can see why everybody loves it because it's pretty. Okay, so let's take this off and show you guys the underside of the cap. Look at this beautiful sheer indulgence lace front. It's temple to temple, ready to wear lace front. It can be styled behind the ear and away from the face. You also have the sheer indulgence hand-tied monofilament top, creates the look of natural hair growth, and it's sheer to blend with all skin tones. You have this closed crown area and you do have a slight amount of permatease, and that gives this gorgeous style the lift and volume at the crown that I think it needs, and it looks amazing with it. You have your velvet lined ear tabs and a velvet nape with your adjusters, so you can adjust it and make it fit your head more true to size. Also, what's amazing about this editor's pick is you have this open wefted base, but it's their memory cap 2 base. Its thinner material is used to create light, cool, and custom fit. It conforms to your head shape in after only an hour. Okay, let's put this beauty back on. Editor's pick is 3.25 ounces. The front of Editor's pick is 4.5 inches. Your crown is 10.25 inches. Your sides are 9.25 inches. And your back is 8 inches. The nape on Editor's pick is 6.5 inches. She feels fantastic. I think it's a great wig for all seasons. It's hot here, so of course an open wefted, shorter bob style is going to be, you know, a lot better in the heat. It's off the neck, it feels great. Because of these curls, even with it being a bob, you could easily add, you know, some style to it, some creative styling to it, and utilize these curls to your benefit. I mean, I love the way it flows. You could make it look more glamorous. It is short, but look, you could even add an elastic to it and kind of fluff it out, and it looks kind of fancy schmancy, and I think it looks so cute. The fibers look fantastic straight out of the box. I have worn this out a few times, but it looks great. Some people have a hard time with true to life heat friendly fibers, but having a shorter style like this, it should hold up pretty well. The longer styles hold up great as well, but they do take a little bit more maintenance and smoothing with your heat tools and things like that. But with synthetic or heat friendly synthetic fibers, the shorter the length, the easier it is to maintain. That's just kind of common knowledge because you don't have as much friction, frizz, and that movement that you have with those longer styles that tend to tangle. So that's another plus I feel about Editor's Pick, because you have that glamorous, feminine, beautiful wave and curl, but she's nice and short above the shoulder, and I really like it. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about Editor's Pick in shaded wheat, and definitely go check out Mimo's wig. Use the code Amber's Amigos for a discount. You can use that all the time. There are a few exclusions, I believe, but just follow the links down below and check out Mimo on her social media platforms. She has a lot of educational content, and she can help you with all of your needs concerning alternative hair, toppers, wigs, pieces, and she has a huge array of colors and styles and brands over on her website. So do check that out. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful, and please comment below if you have any suggestions on styles, colors, and even educational things, tutorials that you would like to see on this page. And you guys, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.